Every beautiful dress has a secret, and it all starts right here on the drafting table. Hi everyone, welcome back to LadyBird Designer Swing and Pattern Making. I'm Fatima, and this week is very special for us because we are celebrating 4 years of this channel. Whether you're just starting out or you are a professional Swiss, you are in the right place. For 15 years, I've been turning fashion ideas into flawless real-world patterns. On this channel, we make technical drafting simple. I love sharing the real secrets of international standards and perfect garment fit. And guess what? Starting this August, this channel is all about you. I'll be drafting exclusive patterns based directly on your request. So, join me in my studio. Let's turn your creative ideas into perfectly fitted reality. Stop guessing and start drafting like a pro. Hit that subscribe button. Join our global community and let's enjoy the process together.